Yeah, look at my squirrel. Isn't he so cute? Because I still don't know what to name him. But I don't think it's something to name him now. Isn't he cute? No. Yeah, my love used to sit here and watch them. And look at all the birds up on the bird feeder. Wow. Well, it is sure a very busy morning this morning with the squirrel and the birds and this little tiny bird drinking out the water. Look at him. Whoops. There's the birds. And there's the squirrel. I don't know. He is brown, so maybe I'll call him, I don't know, Dusty. I don't know. If you guys can think of any names, send them to me. Okay, well, okay, I'm gonna go and let the squirrel eat in peace. Yeah. Okay, see you later.